Hi guys, hope you're doing well. My name is Keisha with Zazie K Creations, and on this video I am sharing with you my Olga's Closet mystery box, mystery knit bundle. Sorry. So I had always been wanting to work with knits. I told you guys sometime last year that I really wanted to work on my knits and step up my knit game. So I always also wanted to purchase an Olga's Closet mystery box or mystery bundle. So at the end of the year, at the end of 2022, I went to their website and I saw that they had a lot of their mystery knits. The bundles are on sale. So I went ahead and I purchased two. The two that I purchased was the 8 to 10 yards of fall winter mystery knit bundle. And I also purchased 8 to 10 yards of the dark solids mystery knit bundle. This was long overdue in terms of me getting them open. I've just been really busy the first part of the year. So I finally decided to get this box away from my front door and go ahead and get it open. So I am going to open with you the first bundle, and that is the 8 to 10 yards of fall winter mystery knit bundle. I don't know what the fabric content is on any of these fabrics, but I am going to go ahead and get it open and share with you what I have. So it looks like in this first bundle, have a nice animal print. I really love this. I love animal print, so I can see this as a nice sweater. I'm not sure how many yards this is, but I could see a sweater or a skirt, so this is nice. I wish I was better able to tell the content of the fabric, but I can't right now, so we'll keep it as a mystery. So this here is like a nice olive green knit. I actually have something like this already in my stash. That's more like a fleece material. It's like a fleece knit. This right here is just a basic knit fabric. There is no fleece feel to it. So this might be a nice pencil skirt. I'm not sure. But it's a nice olive green. And this here looks like it's a waffle rib knit, maybe a waffle knit. It has that waffle effect to it. So this again is really nice and drapey. Nice color too. It's like a an eggplant, but it has a tone of brown to it. So it's a really nice color. And then I have this here, a nice checkered. I could see this in a nice cape maybe, a nice poncho of some sort. But it has this green, this black, or is that blue? This might be blue. I think that's a blue. And it has this cream color. So very, very nice. So because this is 8 to 10 yards in total, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I probably have about 2 yards of each, maybe 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, maybe 2 yards of each. So that's a nice quantity, a nice amount of fabric to have there. And now I will open with you all the other bundle. Sorry about that, my box is in the way. And this is the 8 to 10 yard of solid mystery bundle. I see a very similar color to that waffle knit that I just pulled out. So let's see. Okay, so this here is that similar color I told you all for the waffle knit. It's a little darker. It's more plum in color. It's more plum, but they're similar in color. So that's nice. It's thinner. It's a much thinner fabric. And I actually see some markings. Oh no, they're not markings. It's just like the boxing, I guess. I hope if I wash it, it'll come out, but I'll show you a little, if you can see this. I think it's just the marking from the box. I don't think it's anything that's embedded into the fabric, so that's fine. Yeah, it's coming right off, so that's not a problem for me. And I got another, looks to be a waffle knit in a black color. Really, really nice fabric, so I'm really excited about this. Nice black. Yeah, I think that I would call this a waffle rib knit maybe. You can see the waffle effect on it. And I have this maroon color knit. I see a lot of pencil skirts I can do for the spring in these anyway. I mean, it said fall or winter, but because the fabric is somewhat thin, I could probably do something with this for the spring and summer as well. And then I have this here. Now this is a rib knit. I do know that much about my fabrics. That's a rib knit. And this is an olive green. I'll open this up some more. I think I have about 2 yards of this total. This olive green. And oh, this is nice. This is like a sweat, no, like a faux fur. This is like a faux fur. Really, really nice. I love that. And it's navy blue. I love navy blue. Oh, oh, I can do a lot with this. I'll be very careful before I cut into this because this is just really nice. I like it. I don't know what I would do with this. A sweater? I don't know. So many ideas. But I do enjoy this. This is really nice. I am very pleased with what I received in my Olga Closet mystery knit bundles. And this here is a nice denim. Nice denim. Show you this. It has a little bit of, not a whole lot of stretch. Not much stretch at all, but that's probably okay. Again, I could probably do a pair of pants with this. It's a lot of fabric, so I am really, really, really pleased with this, with my mystery knit bundle. I've got lots of options here. I've got lots to work with. I had already been getting on my own, just as I go to the fabric store, some knits I can work with. But when I saw the mystery bundles on sale at Olga's Closet, I was really excited and wanted to make sure that I grabbed a nice amount of yardage on the bundles. So yeah, that's the video. If you have any suggestions for any of these fabrics that I've shown you, please feel free to share, let me know. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will talk to you all soon. God bless.